6-0 and a clean sheet. How do you feel about the performance today?
Yeah, pleasing. I think the only critical thing is we should have scored a lot more goals. I know you got to be happy with 6 and a clean sheet, but just disappointed with the finishing as well. Some of the players today. But it's 3 points.
Yeah. JK was back on the side. Do you think him and Ollie and Adam were linking up a lot better today as well?
Yeah, like I say, he's been unlucky. He's had an injury at the start of the season, and then he's been ill. He didn't play 90 today, but it's going to take him a couple of weeks before he gets full throttle. So yeah, I thought the 3 of them looked up well with Brownie as well.
Yeah. Just saying about Brownie there, 4 assists I think in the game today, and it could have been even more as you said. I think he's coming along as like a set piece and assist maker.
Yeah, he's done well. I think he's a confidence player. He seems to, he works hard. He's got good pace, good deliveries. I think one of the things that let him down the moment is finishing. He could have had at least 2 or 3 goals again today.
Just talking about goals, so Adam got picked up a hat-trick and then another goal as well on top of that, so he's 10-0 for the season so far.
Yeah, he's come in, he's done well. To be fair, we got criticised start of the season, pre-season, saying we need a goal scorer and this and that, and to be fair, he's come in and he's put the ball in net. Just got to hopefully the other ones do the same now.
Yeah. And just on August as a whole, we've played 5 and won all 5 games. How do you feel that as a team?
Yeah, I think today this is the finishing point for me. I said how many points can we get to the end of August. We've played 9 games altogether. We've won 8. Looking today, we used 9 academy players. We've got a lot of injuries. So as a coaching staff, as a club, we must be happy where we are at the moment.
And then just looking ahead to next week, it's a change of scenery in the Cup. How do you feel about Llandudno just ahead of that?
Yeah, it's going to be a tough game. In a day, it's the Welsh Cup. I don't know how we were seeded and then end up playing a team in our league away. But it is what it is. But we're looking forward to it.